Oh, it's on record still.
No, it's not. He's saying
No, I don't know what.
Okay, so tonight we are fitting a Sunstrip finally back since I've fixed a new one. So what we got is black vinyl. How much does this cost? Like £6.99 from B&Q. So that's pretty cheap for vinyl, where you can pay like 20 quid for a Sunstrip. So when we fit one of them, I'm going to say about 27 centimetres long, and then going to mark up with these so I know they're level, and then hopefully fit it and then look good, because cars like Sunstrips are shit cars, just saying. So going to fit that now, time lapse it, say about the complications if there is any, and fit them so my car does not look rubbish anymore, because it looks just awful. So yeah, onto the Sunstrip. Okay, so as you can see, it's on. I've got the heated windscreen, like, hoping it's going to make the glue stick. Don't know if that's going to work or not, but it's on there, letting it stick a bit, and then I'm going to cut all the edges out with a Stanley. It's a bit worrying going to your car with a Stanley bit. It's only up there triggering it. We're going to go around it, cut it out, hopefully it looks decent, and inside it looks like a race car again. So, we're going to start cutting the shit down. How is not hot? How can we... Yeah, same here.
in the window.
As you can see, Sunstrip is now on. I think it's a bit shorter than my last one, but I'm happy with it. Costs like £6–7, so you can't really go wrong. So if you want to get a Sunstrip, I recommend doing it that way instead of paying like 20 quid from one off the website. And I've got all of Brandon's ash already on my Sunstrip because he smokes around my car. But yeah, that's all for this. It's quick, easy, simple, and it makes the car look a lot better. And you can put stickers on it and shit like that. But yeah, hope this helped anyone looking to do it. All you need to do is spray a lot with water, stick it on, peel it off. You might use like a heat gun or say a hairdryer, but I just use the heated windscreen and then put the heating up, point to the window. I know it is like a budget way, but that's how I do stuff, so oh well. But yeah, hope it helped anyone. I'll try and leave a link to the stuff vinyl down below. You can pick up like B&Q, Homebase, anything like that. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Roll the outro.